back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create monthly reports in Power BI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply open your Power BI. Once you open your Power BI, you need to create monthly reports in this particular tool by starting to get your data into the Power BI desktop or the service. You need to then use the date field to create visuals like matrices or line charts that are grouped by month. You can also build a dynamic slicer for users to select months and for automation connect to the folder of files and use Power Automate to schedule monthly exploits. So if you're going to simply do this and if you're going to follow these simple and easy steps, you can simply create monthly reports in your Power BI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.